Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Nurul HUSAIN and my metro number is 302039. So today I'm going to present the WTS final fees. So technically, there's a few some changes that I did in the app and also add some functional requirements based on the questions that have been given. So the first thing is I did changes in the login screen, which is for the icon on the touch field. So later we will see on the app later. So then after that, in the main screen, I did the things like I did things of the navigation bottom navigation bar and also the what is the name and the drawer. So it will be both of it. So technically So technically, it will be of four things, which is the home, task list, and submission history, and also profile. So profile also will be later the view profile and the update profile. So then this is the base 64 image for the drawer letter, and then basically I just added some icons. So this is the bottom navigation bar item that I will put the home, task list, history, and profile. And then and then on the drawer will be home, task list, submission history, profile setting, which is directly to the update profile, and also have a logout button. So yeah, basically, I guess I should basically for the profile screen. Technically, it will display the view first. So this is the base on it. So later will be display the images of the user, and then after that, uh, exactly all the things that the user based on the get from the JSON of the PHP, which is from the table underscore users. And then or later it will be have a button to edit to go to the edit. So yeah, this is technically the edit profile. So we have a text editing controller and stuff, and also uh, I did some update, which is the validations and also confirmation, and then I put the database also for that part. I mean the database for the picture. So yeah, this is what I see. Save changes. We have the show cancel confirmation dialog and all the validation stuff. So yeah, registration. I add the only thing that I add is the icon and also the pictures to save in the database also using the B64. Where is it? I can't I can't see. But yeah, so this is the splash screen and also the submission history screen is technically based on the submission history screens that have a display previous submission and also have a task title later. So this thing I will get based on the I did the database. Where is it? Hmm. Based on the get submission letter and also edit submission. But technically, yeah, based on the get submission, also edit submission to get the data from the database and also to like after editing it will save to the edit submissions. So yeah, and then we go to the TBL submissions again. Is it TBL submissions? It's gonna take some time. Yeah, it goes to the TBL submissions. And then after that, the submit screen is technically um, a page that to submit all the details based on the task list that have been given. So yeah, based on the task list, I did it and get it from the TBL works. I get it from the TBL works. So yeah, the thing is the edit submissions part. Yes, it is. So yeah, technically you just like put the adjusted end code either the submissions is updated successful or update failed in the SQL localhost, and also like having the missing submissions. So technically the edit submissions will just like update the TBL submissions based on the where the ID will be put. So then for the get profile is technically to get the profile data based on the worker ID, and then the get submissions. And then for the get submissions, it's technically to get the submissions all the submissions details. So yeah, it basically based on the worker ID also. So everyone will get a different task. So this is based from the this is from the assignment. Login worker nominee. The register part I add here, which is for the pictures to put in the database. Same goes to update profile also. So yeah, this is the one. Good. Mm-hmm. Because other than that, it's basically the same thing from the midterm assignment. And then summit work also is the same thing. I'm so sorry for what happened earlier. My laptop had just now. So I guess since I can't, maybe because it was too heavy, even though I did some flutter cleanup pocket, but it's okay. So let's go again. Then after that, so this is one of the requirement. I mean like validations. Okay. So then maybe later sir can see in the documentation. So then let's go to save. So we have the save changes information, and then it will update. So technically it will show in the drawer also, and again into there. So basically that is for the profile. Oh yeah, for the drawer part, the profile setting will go to the direct into this one. I set this as a default actually. So and then let's go to the a task list. So let's try it. This is the refresh buttons. Like for example, after you submit it, that there's it can't it didn't refresh. So technically you just have to click the refresh button so it will refresh for you instead of refresh automatically. So I'm just gonna test like confirm- so, confirmations. Also, for example, select all, cut. So yeah, validations from here, and then if only if you put like only if you put the text in here, then when you click the cancel button or I mean like in the back button, it will display the confirmation. Are you sure you want to discard? So yeah, so let's go to the submit part. Okay, okay, and then so this is the level inventory what I did just now. So same goes to the edit. You also have a validations if you didn't put any text in the text field. So okay, but if you cancel here, yeah, mission update, and then yeah, and then so technically this is the same thing what I just said. So that is basically from the app. So let's go to the database. So technically this is the app. I just use the same table. So technically have the submissions, users and works. So just now I use the second user which is Amira. This is the edited after I based on the app just now. And then this thing access in use profile me based from here. Where is it? Based from here. So this is the second because I use the worker ID. And then after that, so just now I put a submission on the label inventory so we can see it's already been success. Oh my god. Yes, technically it's already been success. And also we can see in the TBL submissions also that they put on it on what time and also based on the submission text. So yeah, I guess that's all from me. Thank you.